Alright, good morning traders. It's Tuesday, June 28th, just around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Pete Soares, and today we're going to take a technical look at the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen cross. Now what we can see here on the 4-hour compression, where I always look to trend the markets, the very most important thing of my technical analysis, we can see that we are in a very dominant downtrend here on the pair. Okay, and when we further zoom out the picture, we can see how dominant this downtrend is and how much the market has respect to this. Okay, just take a look here at all the tops in this market. We can see we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tops here in the market. Also multiple respect here of the heart line, and furthermore the bottom of the trend wall. Now what we're looking at here is we're looking for an opportunity to take a counter trend trade on the CAD yen. Okay, and what is leading me towards this is the belief that we have seen a triple bottom right here in the market. First off, we have 1, 2, 3 points here at the 81.22 price level that the market has not been able to break through that. And what we can see here is that on the first point and on the second point, we made it to the top of the downtrend. Okay, so on the third point here, what we want to do is look for a trade that's going to make it once again here to the top of the downtrend. And again, just looking back here in the past, what you can see is once again yet another triple bottom that was in place here in the market, and we saw that there on the first point they tried to make it to the top, second point same thing, and third point same thing. Okay, so what we're now looking for is, can we find further evidence towards looking for an opportunity to go long on this pair, taking a small trade here for just around 70-80 pips. Okay, and when we look further into the other compressions, what we can see is that we are going to have an opportunity to take this pair north up to the top. Now I've already taken the pair long, and I will show you exactly what I took it on. I just wanted to go ahead and cover this before the entire movement pays out. So taking it down to the 1-hour compression, what we're now going to look for is for the set of Fibo targets to look to trade for in this market. So what we're first looking for is our initial movement, and we can see that right here we have a very clear, nice movement in the market, followed by a very smooth pullback, being a retracement in the market. So this is definitely what we're looking for to get our information from, and that is why I'm going to fib this from the top to the bottom, and we can see that right there. And now what we can see is that we have a target coming right here at the 786 level, overlapping the top of that trend wall. Now when you're going counter trend, you want to look for the 786. When you're going with the trend, what you would look for is for the 1270 Fibo payout. So just to go ahead and show that, you can see right here we have nice smooth initial movement, we have a pullback, and let's see what area of the fib targets that movement pulled out right there. Now this is not something that I've looked at just yet, okay, but taking a look at it right now, let's go ahead here and see, and we're most likely going to see a 786 payout on that, because that was also a counter trend movement. And there you can see that what I thought happened is exactly what happened. So let's take a look here and see exactly what I saw and what I traded earlier here on the CAD yen. Now just taking us down to the 15-minute compression, what we're going to see is that this pair was creating a chart pattern known as a bull flag, which is showing us that we're going to see a continuation of the current movement. And coming into the bull flag, the movement was north, so we were looking for a continuation of the movement north. Okay, and we can see, just making this a bit better here, that we have a bull flag coming into this market. Okay, and this is what we were looking for, is for the opportunity to take a trade on a break of the bull flag, coming right here to go long at the 81.98 price level, looking to target up above at the 82.70. Okay, with a stop here, technical stop being below the last point of support. So my stop is personally at the 81.73 price level. So right there, a very good risk to reward ratio trade of well over 2.5 to 1. So what we can see is that is the setup that we have here, and then further looking up on this, what we can see once again in the 1-hour compression is that our 786 is lining up perfectly with that. So the break here of this bull flag is what got me in, and now I'm looking for the payment up to the 82.70 price level. So I just wanted to share that right there. Good observation on the CAD yen, followed by some good technical analysis. Again, long on this pair at the 82 price level, looking for the 82.70 payout. So with that said, hope you enjoyed that. We'll talk to you again soon. Until then, folks, good luck and happy trading.